Alright, hello everybody, my name is Jeff and I'm going to be doing a quick little tutorial about how to make sure your PDF is ready to be printed. Some things that people don't really know is that you don't want to use RGB or anything like that, so we're going to go ahead and make sure that this PDF document will be ready to print when we go and send it to the printer and that there's nothing wrong with it. So first thing you're going to do is going to open up the PDF and then you Control-Shift-X, and that's going to open up a nice little preflight panel here. When you open it, it could be on Essentials like this. What you're going to want to do is go to Prepress, Color, and Transparency. Then click Magazine Ads right here. And the reason why we're doing this one and not this one is because this one's going to allow us RGB, which we don't want to print with RGB. So we're going to do Magazine Ads like this. We're going to hit Analyze right here. That's going to show this screen next. And basically what this screen shows is all of the errors and information about the image or about the PDF. So obviously we have some problems with this one. The first thing that we're going to notice is we're going to have two RGB images here, and if you double click you can actually check which ones they are. So it's going to be this one right here. So this one is an RGB image, so what we want to do is go into Photoshop and change that into a CMYK image, which will be very, very easy. And then the second image is this one right here, which again we're going to want to go back and change that into CMYK. The next one is right here, which is basically saying that we have another RGB image. And another thing you want to know is that when printing, you want it to be about 300 ppi or pixels per inch. These ones are fairly low. All of these are fairly low. Actually, these ones are not terrible, but these ones are very, very low, as it's 197 and 185, which means that it's going to be not as high resolution as it should be. So that's something to also keep in mind. Some of them aren't really going to matter, like this one where it says number of pages more than one, that one's okay. These are going to be okay as well. These errors are fine. The main ones you really want to look for are the RGB ones, so that's going to be these. This one basically is just saying that if the text is longer than or smaller than 9-point font, it might be hard to read or it might print weird, which is an okay thing. Just make sure that it'll print okay when you go and get it printed. But yeah, so that's the main things you want to check for when you're getting your PDF ready to print.